Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. Today I'm talking about the Oral-B Genius Rechargeable Toothbrush with AI. So here is the box. This is what it looks like. It comes with two toothbrushes, black and a white, two cases, a couple of different heads, black heads, white heads that match the toothbrush. What's cool about this one here, it has personalized coaching for a complete clean every time. That's what it says in the box. What's cool about this one, if you have sensitive gums, it has a sensor. So if you're pressing too hard, it'll actually light up, and you'll know you're putting too much pressure on your gums, and that helps with the AI feature as well. Also, a 2-minute timer. And 6 cleaning settings. So I'm just going to show you what's in the package, do a quick unboxing and show you what this is like. Definitely recommend something like this, really high quality item. If you have sensitive teeth, definitely want to get the Oral-B Genius. Very, very, very good toothbrush. All right, let's see what's in the package. Okay guys, so this is what we have in the package. So this is what it looks like when you receive your box. If you get the singles, come with 1. If you have the black and white, comes with 2. They each come with their own case, which is nice. Push button to open. This is where your toothbrush goes and your extra heads. Now, it doesn't hold the charger. You have to take that separately, or there's enough charge, probably about a week out of it, out of the handle itself. So if you're going someplace quick, you're good to go. But if you want to take, if going long term, or if you're going way far away, whatever, or for a long period of time, take the charger with you. So this is one, and they give you color codes. You have the black and you have the white. That's in here as well. Put those to the side. Also have, let me just show you the heads. So the heads come, there's 2 heads you get in here. There's the white set of heads, and they also give you the black set of heads. You can see here, so you have the heads included, which is cool. Put that to the side. So you have 2 sets, which is nice. And you have, so you can actually share it. If you can change the head, if you want to take one with you, you can just take one, take 2 heads with you. That's why they have different color rings. So you can have the blue ring, you can have the red ring, you know, whatever. One has a red, one has a blue. So things like that, which is really kind of nice. Here are the actual toothbrushes themselves. They feel really good in the hand. They seem well made. It's got the wireless charging. You just pop it on the port. Simple as that. Very easy touch on and off. There's different settings you can adjust. We'll get it fully charged. Also has the intelligent AI included in this toothbrush, which is really nice. Also, in the box is the charger. Very well laid out. Simple to use. Right here, this is what it looks like. So basically, once you plug it in, let's open up the box here and see what we have. Oh, good. So it's a small footprint, which is nice. I like that. There's a small footprint. It's got a short cable, probably, I would say, probably a 5-foot cable. Let me take a quick look at it. This is why you're watching the video, so you know. That's important. Take this open. Let's see what we have. Quick measurement. 5 foot. Yep. This is a 5-foot cable. So that should be more than enough space. So basically, you just pop it on your charger. I didn't realize that. Yes, it should just fall right on. Okay, I was headed backwards. So if it's fitting too tight, you have it on backwards. Just gotta kind of measure up the 2 different sides, and that will charge it up just like that. Now, this one have a black charger or a white charger. So this one has a white charger. That's a little disappointing. I thought this should be black, personally, to match this, but it doesn't. Oh, that's just the way they came. Nothing we can do about that. And the same exact thing with this charger as well. So here is the black one here. It sounds very powerful. You can adjust the different settings. You can see here. Diamond cleaning. The wave. Regular. It says Tooth Plus. This is very light, has a feather. Diamond cleaning, I guess. I don't know. So it's got all different type of settings. Definitely read the manual, see what fits best for you. As we all know, when we start with the new toothbrushes, there's always different variations in how you feel about using it. It takes time, like anything else, like a pair of glasses. You got to get used to it. You got to get how they feel. The overall experience of something like that, you have to get used to. So we'll plug these in, we'll get them ready, and we'll get them all tested. All right, guys, appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let me know. Leave some comments down below. I'll leave a link for this product in the description. Also, there'll be a link over here as well, and everywhere else in between. So that's what I have for you here. It's a fantastic toothbrush. I think it's going to work well. And stay tuned, and we'll do some more videos and update you on the progress and how I like it. Appreciate it as always, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.